Next, let's remove the plungers. The stud may loosen up from the other side, that's okay. And what you're looking for are any deep scratches or pitting, basically anything that you can feel with your fingernail. And next, we can remove the wicks. And then from here, we can remove the oil seal retainers with 2 screwdrivers. Tip the pump back so you'll have enough room to be able to pry the oil seal retainers out. Remove the oil pan. And now with our 2 screwdrivers, we can pop out the retainer.